DeepMind's new approach enhances LLM accuracy.
Researchers from DeepMind and partner institutions have introduced GenRM, a novel method designed to improve the accuracy of large language models by enabling them to verify their own outputs. Rather than relying solely on traditional reward models, GenRM utilizes next token prediction to leverage the generative strengths of LLMs, allowing them to produce more effective verification processes. Testing showed that GenRM significantly outperforms existing methods like LLM as a judge and standard reward models across various reasoning tasks. The framework not only increases accuracy, but also scales well with larger datasets, hinting at a promising future for more sophisticated verification in AI applications.
Surge in generative AI deployment among enterprises.
A recent Bloomberg intelligence report reveals that the deployment of generative AI by companies has significantly increased, with the percentage of organizations developing such AI systems rising from 32% to 66% between December 2023 and July 2024. Chatbot applications remain the leading use case, while a growing number of companies are now focusing on training foundational AI models, climbing from 26% to 40%. Microsoft's Azure has emerged as the preferred cloud platform for AI inference, with a notable increase in organizations planning to invest in its services due to its partnership with OpenAI. Despite this growth, other studies indicate that a considerable number of generative AI projects may falter, with predictions that 30% could be abandoned post-proof of concept.
OpenAI Japan unveils ambitious plans for next-gen AI.
OpenAI Japan has revealed plans for a new AI model named GPT-Next, set to launch in 2024. This model is anticipated to be 100 times more powerful than its predecessor, GPT-4, showcasing significant performance improvements. CEO Tadao Nagasaki indicated that AI advancements are rapidly accelerating, outpacing traditional software development. Additionally, OpenAI is reportedly working on two new systems, Strawberry and Orion, which aim to bolster capabilities in areas like mathematics and logic, preparing the groundwork for GPT-Next.
The future of healthcare, AI-driven telehealth solutions.
Telehealth is revolutionizing healthcare by removing barriers associated with traditional doctor visits. Artificial intelligence enhances telehealth by personalizing patient care and streamlining clinical processes. AI tools can help detect physician burnout and predict patient visit capacities, ultimately allowing for better work-life balance for healthcare providers. Furthermore, AI algorithms improve diagnostic capabilities, particularly in remote areas lacking specialist access, making healthcare more efficient and accessible.
Volkswagen integrates ChatGPT in new AI voice assistant.
Volkswagen is launching its upgraded in-car AI voice assistant, IDA, with capabilities powered by ChatGPT and other cloud-based models starting September 6th. The initial rollout includes the 2025 Jetta GLI, and a specific version of the 2024 ID4, with additional models to follow later this year. Drivers must subscribe to VW's Plus Speech with AI service to access these features, while the assistant can handle simple tasks locally, but will consult the cloud for more complex requests like restaurant recommendations.
AI unveils powerful AI supercomputer Colossus.
Elon Musk's startup xAI has launched a supercomputer named Colossus, which is claimed to be the most powerful AI training system globally, currently utilizing 100,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs. The system is set to expand to 200,000 GPUs, including 50,000 of the more advanced H200 chips within a few months, making it the largest individual AI computing cluster in terms of processors. Colossus will primarily be used to train xAI's upcoming large language model, Grok, which is slated to compete with OpenAI's GPT-4 and is expected to be released by December.
South Korean startup Rebellion set for 2025 IPO amid AI chip demand.
Rebellions Inc., a South Korean AI chip startup, aims for an IPO by late 2025, driven by increasing demand for generative AI chips. The company is collaborating with Samsung Electronics to produce a next-generation chip using a 4-nanometer process and plans to deliver its design next month. Focusing initially on inference for real-world applications rather than training, Rebellions counts major clients like SK, KT, and Saudi Aramco, while eyeing expansion into the Chinese market in the future.
Canva's subscription hike and AI features.
Canva will raise subscription prices for its Teams users by over 300% due to new generative AI tools added to the platform. Users are seeing dramatic increases in costs, with some plans soaring from $120 to $500 annually, despite a temporary discount for the first year. The company's expansion into AI-driven features such as Magic Media and Magic Expand marks a shift from its original status as an affordable design solution.
Canva raises subscription prices, citing AI enhancements.
Canva has announced a 300% increase in its Teams subscription prices, attributing the hike to new AI features in its platform. The launch of Magic Studio, which offers tools for generating AI-driven images, videos, and more, is a key factor in their pricing strategy. Canva's CEO has highlighted these advancements as justifications for the higher costs, emphasizing the integration of these capabilities into user workflows.
New developments in AI schema adherence with Gemini 1.5.
Google has enhanced its Gemini 1.5 with a feature called Controlled Generation, which allows developers to specify a response schema for AI outputs. This new capability streamlines the generation of machine-readable data, ensuring consistency and reducing post-processing work by adhering to defined formats like JSON. Furthermore, the introduction of enum support within the response schema enhances predictability by constraining outputs to specific values, thereby improving integration within existing applications.
Honeywell's competitive AI approach.
Honeywell's CEO Vimal Kapur emphasizes integrating AI into customer offerings rather than merely using it for internal productivity gains. He believes the real benefits of AI lie in addressing workforce shortages by developing AI copilots that can enhance the skills of existing employees. Additionally, Honeywell is innovating AI applications directly in products, such as improving checkout scanner technology to increase efficiency in retail environments.
Insights into the future of AI video generation.
Generative AI tools like OpenAI's Sora have made video creation quicker and more accessible, with applications in ad production and creative content. However, challenges remain, including consistency in visual elements and difficulties in capturing nuanced human interactions. Despite these limitations, certain commercial uses are emerging, especially for large-scale visuals, signaling a gradual evolution in this technology.
Luma AI unveils enhanced video generation with camera controls.
Luma AI has launched its upgraded AI video generator, Dream Machine 1.6, which introduces 12 new camera motion options for more precise control in video creation. Users can now easily apply movements such as pan, orbit, and crane by typing camera in their prompts, along with animated previews to help visualize these options. This update enhances the realism of AI-generated videos and positions Luma AI competitively against other models in the market, like Runway's Gen 2 and upcoming Gen 3 Alpha Turbo.
Anthropic plans to release system prompts for artifacts feature.
Anthropic recently announced it will provide system prompts for its artifacts feature, which is part of the Claude family of models, due to concerns raised about its previous incomplete release. The company clarified that the absence of artifact system prompts during the last update was because the feature was not yet available to all users. Researchers and industry observers have noted the significance of these prompts, as they offer insight into how the models operate and respond to different queries.
Elon Musk's xAI launches massive AI training cluster.
Elon Musk announced the launch of xAI's new AI training cluster, named Colossus, which utilizes 100,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs, making it one of the most powerful AI training systems in existence. This cluster, constructed in just 122 days, is set to expand to 200,000 GPUs in the near future, positioning xAI to catch up with Meta's AI capabilities. Musk's ambitions with xAI focus on advancing understanding through AI, specifically with the Grok chatbot, as he faces competition from Mark Zuckerberg, who aims to bolster his own infrastructure for AI development.
Google integrates Gemini AI into Chrome's address bar.
Google has launched an update to Chrome that integrates its Gemini AI chatbot directly into the address bar, allowing users to engage with AI simply by typing @Gemini and their query. This integration, powered by a lightweight version known as Gemini 1.5 Flash, aims to fundamentally change how users interact with the internet by incorporating generative AI responses in place of traditional search results. While it enhances accessibility, this development also raises concerns about data privacy as AI becomes more integrated into everyday browsing experiences.
New AI features for Intel and AMD laptops coming in November.
Microsoft's Copilot AI features will be available on select Intel and AMD laptops starting in November. These include innovations like Auto Super Resolution, which enhances gaming performance, and various image processing capabilities utilizing neural processing unit chips. Microsoft is also set to launch its Recall AI features, initially available for testing with Windows Insider users before wider rollout.
OpenAI's shift towards safety and profitability.
OpenAI is revamping its management and organizational structure as it seeks significant investments, courting tech giants like Microsoft and Apple for a potential valuation of $100 billion. The company is grappling with the dual challenge of advancing AI technology while addressing safety concerns and maintaining employee trust amid high turnover and leadership changes.
Musk launches Colossus, the largest AI supercomputer.
Elon Musk's xAI has launched Colossus, a supercomputer featuring 100,000 NVIDIA Hopper H100 processors designed to train its AI model Grok, aimed at competing with OpenAI's GPT-4. Musk anticipates doubling the system's capacity with the addition of 50,000 advanced H200 chips, which will enhance its capabilities significantly.
New AI features for Intel and AMD PCs coming soon.
Microsoft announced that starting in November, new AI capabilities will be available for PCs powered by Intel's 200-volt processors and AMD's Ryzen AI 300 series chips. These updates will include features like live captions, co-creator in Paint, and Windows Studio effects, enhancing user experience and performance in various applications.
The evolution of AI investment trends.
The current AI boom, like past tech booms, is heavily driven by venture capital, with startups relying on substantial funding to develop their models and services. As competition intensifies and valuations soar, concerns arise about the long-term sustainability of these investments and what history can teach investors about future market dynamics.
Generative AI's role in life review therapy.
Generative AI offers a new avenue for conducting life reviews, guiding users through reflections on significant life events and personal growth. While it can facilitate the process, experts emphasize the importance of integrating it with human therapist support to enhance the overall effectiveness and emotional understanding of the experience.
AI's role in election integrity is exaggerated.
Concerns about AI's influence on elections have been overstated, with evidence showing limited effectiveness in altering voter behavior or election outcomes. While AI is used in political campaigns, its contributions mainly involve mundane tasks, and significant threats to democracy stem from non-technical issues like voter disenfranchisement and misinformation.
Upcoming Apple AI features at Glow Time event.
Apple is set to introduce Apple Intelligence, its new generative AI model, aiming to enhance user experience through a smaller, targeted approach, in contrast to larger systems from other companies. Additionally, Updates to Siri will feature a new glowing interface and improved integration with generative AI, specifically for the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, due to hardware capabilities.
AI as the new dating wingman.
AI tools like Riz AI are increasingly being adopted in dating apps to help users craft better conversations and overcome their confidence issues. Major dating platforms are developing their own AI-driven features to serve as virtual wingmen, helping users connect more effectively in a digitized dating landscape.
Supermicro responds to Hindenburg's allegations.
Supermicro has rejected the claims made by Hindenburg Research, stating that the report includes false information about the company. The AI server maker noted that its production capabilities remain unaffected despite the controversy.
Huawei's software issues hinder AI progress in China.
China is struggling to compete with the U.S. in AI due to software problems from Huawei, the country's top AI chip maker, which faces complaints about performance and stability. Despite strong demand for Huawei's Ascend chips, issues such as poor documentation and frequent crashes are causing significant challenges for developers transitioning from NVIDIA's platform.
Blackstone's AI tool enhances data search for employees.
Blackstone has developed a generative AI tool called Doc AI to improve internal document searching and summarization for its employees. This tool is designed to allow users to upload relevant documents and generate concise information or summaries, optimizing how data is accessed and utilized across the company.
AI tools for educators, promising time savings amid skepticism.
Educational technology companies are increasingly promoting AI to help teachers reduce time spent on tasks like grading and lesson planning. Despite the potential benefits cited by these companies, many educators remain skeptical about relying on AI for core teaching responsibilities.
New AI health startup Nico Health launches in London.
Nico Health, co-founded by Daniel Ek of Spotify, focuses on preventative healthcare using AI to analyze millions of data points from full body scans to detect conditions such as heart disease and skin cancer. The startup has debuted in London, offering annual health assessments that also include a consultation with a doctor, with a significant portion of users previously unaware of serious health issues.
Companies face challenges in scaling generative AI projects.
A Deloitte survey reveals that many organizations struggle to transition their generative AI initiatives from concept to production, with 70% reporting that only 30% or fewer experiments have been implemented. Key obstacles include inadequate data management, a lack of preparedness in critical areas such as technology infrastructure and strategy, and growing concerns about AI-related risks and regulatory uncertainty.
OpenAI considers corporate restructuring amid investment talks.
OpenAI is reportedly exploring changes to its nonprofit structure to attract new investments, potentially discarding its capped profit model established in 2019 and aiming for a valuation exceeding $100 billion through a funding round with major investors like NVIDIA and Apple.
NVIDIA faces increased scrutiny over AI market practices.
The Department of Justice is intensifying its antitrust investigation into NVIDIA, focusing on claims that the company may be obstructing competition in the AI hardware sector and penalizing customers who do not exclusively use its chips.
NaNoWriMo's controversial AI stance sparks divided opinions.
NaNoWriMo has ignited debate with its decision to permit AI as a writing tool, arguing that opposing it can be classist and ableist, which has drawn both support and backlash from prominent authors who fear that AI may undermine traditional creative processes and control over their work.
California takes steps to regulate AI with SB 1047.
California's legislature has passed SB 1047, a landmark bill targeting AI safety, which requires AI companies to implement strict safeguards before deploying foundation models, addressing concerns from major tech players while awaiting approval from Governor Gavin Newsom.
Altman's AI infrastructure initiative targets significant U.S. investment.
Sam Altman is planning to attract global investors to finance infrastructure projects essential for AI growth in the U.S., focusing on data centers, energy capacity, and semiconductor manufacturing, with potential backing from international partners such as Microsoft and investors from Canada, Korea, Japan, and the UAE.
EY's innovative use of AI for neurodivergent employees.
EY implements AI-driven tools and specialized coaching to support neurodivergent employees, enhancing their workplace experience and productivity.
NVIDIA faces antitrust scrutiny amidst record earnings.
NVIDIA has been subpoenaed by the U.S. Department of Justice as part of an antitrust investigation, with concerns raised over its business practices that may hinder customer choice and unfairly restrict competition in the AI chip market.
New AI suite for YouTube creators enhances content production.
Spotter has introduced Spotter Studio, an AI-powered creative suite designed to assist YouTubers in brainstorming video concepts, generating personalized thumbnails, and organizing tasks, utilizing data from billions of YouTube videos to deliver tailored suggestions regarding video performance and audience engagement.
Many generative AI projects may be abandoned due to high costs.
Gartner's recent report indicates that about one-third of generative AI projects are expected to be abandoned by the end of 2025, primarily due to the significant upfront costs associated with deployment, which can range from $5 million to $20 million.